On behalf of GLOJAS, I'd like to thank everyone who has been a part from our amazing journey this year, 2022. Wishing everyone a Happy New Year and welcome 2023.
Wishing everybody Happy New Year and a blessed year ahead. May the New Year bring peace, prosperity, laughter, happiness, and great achievements to all. Remember, GLOJAS hair skin body brings out the best in you. And GLOJAS Dental brings out the beautiful smile in you. Wishing everybody a joyous 2023.
I would like to wish Happy New Year 2023. May this coming 2023 bring joy, happiness, and health to us all.
Happy New Year to all fellow Malaysians. GLOJAS Hair, Skin and Body brings out the best in you. GLOJAS Dental brings out the most beautiful smile in you.
Happy New Year, everyone! I would like to wish everyone a Happy New Year. Have a good weekend.
I would like to wish everyone a Happy New Year.
Hi, wishing everyone a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!